Being a boutique builder, we're able to offer our customer a custom home design. So that gives us the opportunity then to be able to design them something that's unique to them and their needs and wants. Personalised attention is probably one of our biggest things that we do. We love people coming into our office and knowing them by their name. Because we're able to tell the client at any one stage where their project is at, they always find that they're very appreciative of that experience. We offer all in one package. We can look after you from your design concept right through to your construction of your home. We do offer a full interior design service, so clients can get everything, so it's all coordinated right through their own home. Building is my passion, it's in my blood. I feel it every day and I love my job. Boulevard Homes is all about your design, your way, your price.